half a cup of brown rice which has been rinsed and soaked for half an hour. This is a cup of cooked lentils. This is a quarter cup of angel hair pasta. Now this is not usually in the traditional Mjadara, but I like it, so I'm gonna add it. This meal needs a lot of onions, so this is one large finely chopped onion, and these I will show you what I'm gonna do with them. These I cut them on the mandolin as thin as I could. And traditionally they are fried so that you can get the caramelized crispy onions. But I'm going to try and do them in the air fryer and see what happens. The lemon is to replace the salt. The spices, there is black pepper, just about a quarter teaspoon, 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and again this is optional, some chili flakes. So I'll show you how it goes.